Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we're gonna slate some press-on nails using some new ULG gel nail polish from Amazon, girl. Yes, these are press-on claws, girl. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. Everything used today in this video will be linked down below. Playing with these press on, so I got my first hand done. This is what the pack looks like, girl. Now I think I'm gonna leave them this length just to have fun this weekend, but I definitely can't work with nails this long. Okay, I can't do that. So I already got this hand all fitted. I got my left hand already sorted out right here, so we'll go ahead and get these glued on. Then girl, we're gonna get these nails popping and painted, girl. Popping and painted. All right, the key to getting your press-ons to really adhere to your real nails is buffing the tops of them. You gotta buff them slightly. It gives the glue something to really hold on to. Now, I don't have nail polish still on this nail, girl. This nail is stained with some really strong gel nail polish I was wearing previously. But that's okay. That's okay. We're gonna glue on top of it anyway. My nails are so thin, so I don't want to buff them too hard because girl, I'll be done filed all my little nail away. So there we go, got them nicely buffed. Now there's two ways to approach adhering press-on nails. Now you can apply the glue directly to the back of the nail like this. Put a little in there. I like to put like 2 drops and then kind of rub it around with the tip. Make sure it's everywhere like that. But you want to put enough because we ain't got time for our nails to be popping off. So, once you have the glue on, just go ahead and give it a firm press down. Just like that. Yeah, just press it on, honey. That's why it's called a press on. Just press it down. And you want to put enough, but you don't want a whole lot to where it oozes out the side. See, right now I put the perfect amount. There's no oozing going on. So, yes, this is how that works. Just like that. And then just repeat the steps. Now, if you want to place the glue directly to the nail, you can do that too. I'll show you that method. Now that's just if this is your thing. You can just put it down, but you have to be careful because you don't want it to run all down and get on your cuticle. Just try to put it directly in the middle of the nail. Girl, I don't see how people work with these long nails like this. And then line it up and press it on, just like that. This method works too. It's just not my favorite. I like to just put it on the back of the nail, make sure I have it coated really good, and press the nails on. So I'm going to go ahead and finish placing on the nails. And then we'll be back to paint them, honey, with our ULG gel nail polish. UV gel top coat. Any top coat that's like, you know, a UV gel will work. This is the only one I have. I don't have one